Letter J.
Guess me. You wear me when it's cold. I keep you warm. I have sleeves and a zipper. I come in many colors. You wear me over your shirt. Jacket. Guess me. I wear colorful clothes. I have a funny face and red nose. I make people laugh. You can see me in the circus. I do silly tricks. Joker. Guess me. I live in the sea. I am soft and see-through. I have long, wiggly arms. I can sting. I float in water. Jellyfish.